Welcome to the massive Hayward Toffee Factory. Sprawling over 50 acres, this facility defines modern mass production.
Line 3 cooling temperature stabilizing.
Precision cooling is vital for the perfect toffee texture. Every inch is carefully monitored.
The razor-sharp cutting wheels slice through the continuous toffee rope at an astonishing rate, ensuring every piece is perfectly uniform for packaging.
At the edge of town, a sleeping giant awakens. Every hour, tons of raw sugar are transformed, but only a few know the secrets locked inside. In this facility, scale and precision move together. Advanced robotics ensure absolute consistency. Every detail is tracked to guarantee the highest standards. From this state-of-the-art facility, a global legacy is delivered, one perfect bite at a time. Precision is vital. Every microliter of caramel is measured. Automated sensors ensure perfect consistency. This is confectionery at its peak. Precision is vital. Every microliter of caramel is measured. Automated sensors ensure perfect consistency. This is confectionery at its peak. Monitor the vortex consistency.
This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of toffees every minute, utilizing advanced robotics to ensure every carton is packed with. This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of toffees every minute, utilizing advanced robotics to ensure every carton is packed with.
Palletized load for Bay 4 is complete.
Clear for departure, manifest updated.
A little more to the left, then straight back. Watch the clearance. We need this shipment ready.
Inside this mega factory, precision is everything. Watch as these synchronized arms move in perfect harmony. Inside this automated system, a precise burst of intense flavor is injected. Inside this automated system, a precise burst of intense flavor is injected.
Batch 402 is ready for analysis. The purity levels are well within the green zone.
I'm recording the approval data now.
Driven by high-pressure pumps, the thick toffee mass advances. Precise temperature control ensures a perfectly smooth texture. Next stop, the cooking department. At this critical point, the pale mixture begins its transformation, reaching a perfect, rich golden caramel.
Utilizing advanced inspection systems, these cameras scan thousands of products per minute. If a flaw is detected, the robot
At the massive receiving docks, the process begins. Advanced forklifts transport tons of ingredients daily. This facility processes millions of pounds.
All cookers are operational.
Pressure normalized in Sector 4.
All cookers are operational.
Pressure normalized in Sector 4.